Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, and share. So today's video we're going to be talking about how to properly fix your elastic thread into your manual sewing machine. I have with me here my thread, my ruler, and my shuttle. And if you're the kind of person that your elastic thread is always cutting whenever you're sewing, you'd like this video. So I learned this particular hack from my neighbor, and what she told me was to dip the thread into water 5 minutes before using it. So yeah, that's my elastic thread, and I'll be dipping it into water before reeling it into the shuttle. And yeah, this is my water, and this is me dipping the thread into the water, and I'm going to leave it here for 1 minute or 30 seconds, depends on you. And yeah, the thread is soaked in water now. We don't want it dripping, so this is me drying out the excess water, and it looks perfect now. It's not soaked with water and it is not dry. So I'm just going to use my hand to wrap the thread round the reeler, and just make sure to take your time here. The video here is sped up, but I actually took my time with this. So that's our thread. So what you're going to do now is put it in the shuttle, and this is a normal manual sewing machine shuttle, and you're just going to put it in, and make sure you're putting it while it's making the P alphabet. Like, you should make out this shape, it should be like P, and then you put it in that form. So this is me passing the elastic thread just like my usual thread. And yeah, that's it. So we are ready to put this in the sewing machine now. And this is my manual sewing machine. This is the type I use. It is almost similar to, it is basically similar to your usual butterfly sewing machine. And that's the thread, is the normal black thread, is not elastic. You should be using a non-elastic thread above and an elastic thread below. So I'm just going to put the shuttle into the sewing machine now. And my shuttle is in. Now try to bring it out, bring the thread up, and that's my elastic thread there. And this is me testing it out for you guys. As you can see, the fabric is shearing perfectly, and the thread didn't cut. It was just wonderful. And yeah, that's my fabric. And this is a clearer view. That's the top part of the fabric with the black thread. Remember, the black thread is just a usual thread, it's not elastic. The only elastic thread should be used under with the shuttle. That's a black thread, the top, and that's the back. Please like, subscribe. Bye.